Hi guys, David here from Petz Deli. Now we have Chow Chow here. This is a Chow Chow dog and her name is Puppy. So you can see the nail here. Okay, so we have nails that we need some trimming over here. As you can see, the white color here is a bit more. So we're gonna trim that off, and remember, the pink color side, do not trim. Trim only the white color part of the nail, yeah? Hold it steady, hold it firm and steady. Don't let your dog struggle. Okay. Okay, the tricky part is not trimming the nails in front. The trickiest part is trimming the nail, the declaw, which is the hardest part. So it is best to have someone to help you to hold your pet firmly and avoid cutting your pet or injure your pets. So as you can see, after trimming the nail, yeah, this is very near, this is already very near to the quick, yeah, as we call it. As you can see, the pink color here. If you cut any shorter, the nails will bleed. So when the nail bleeds, remember to use this stop bleed powder, okay, to dab on the nail here. Okay, so assuming if the dog nail bleeds, just take a little bit of this, okay, powder. Alright, dab it, yeah, on the part of the nail, just like doing that, yeah. And then after you dab it on the nail, hold for a minute and the bleeding will stop. Okay, simple as that, yeah. Okay, right. So this is grooming, how you do groom a Chow Chow, and also a nail clipping. Last, select your tools correctly. Have the necessary any brands of stop bleed powder ready, and have a helper, assistant. Okay, can be your family members or your friend to hold down the dog for you while you trim, and make sure to hold, yeah, the paw firmly when you trim the nails. And remember, don't over trim your nails. Trim to the part where it almost meets the quick, which is the pink color part of the nail. Okay, that's all from me, David from Petz Deli. Have fun grooming and bonding with your pet. Thank you for watching. If you find this YouTube video helpful, do consider give us a like and subscribe to our Petz Deli YouTube channel. Have a good day everyone. Love your pets, and Petz Deli cares.